Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Pratibha. Today I just want to talk about what being high vibration is all about. Everyone says you just have to raise the vibe and you will attract what you want, which is true. But in the pursuit of attracting great things into our lives, we push ourselves to be upbeat all the time, to do these rituals like affirmations, journaling, or visualization like a checklist and chase the perfect mindset, which doesn't exist, by the way. The problem happens when there is a misalignment between your inner world and the outer world. And manifestation gets delayed when there is misalignment. So, how do you know there is a misalignment? Externally, you are doing every rituals that is possible to attract things that you want, but internally, you are not feeling that. You're not believing in it enough. You're doubting it constantly. So that's when you know there is a misalignment. You're doubting the technique. Maybe you are doubting yourself. Maybe you are doubting the manifestation process itself. The truth is, manifestation happens when you drop into your truth. You own that truth of yours, your life. Because you don't have to chase the things that you want. You don't have to fake the vibe to get what you want. You just have to be honest and act from that place. Because it's not a performance, it's about presence. Authenticity is the highest vibration that you can possibly hold to attract what you want. Being high vibrational isn't about being positive 24/7. It's actually about allowing yourself to feel everything and still coming out of it with hope, with faith. It's the gentle strength of believing in the light, even though when you're sitting in the dark. That's not toxic positivity. That's hope. That's emotional mastery. Hope is the foundation of magnetism. So that's what makes people high vibrational. Misalignment happens when we just pretend to be high vibrational just to get the results. We don't have to fake the vibe. That's what I'm saying here. Because when we repeat affirmations we don't believe in, it doesn't work, right? We visualize, but we feel anxious underneath, whether it will happen or not. We do all the things externally, but our energy says this isn't going to work. That's misalignment. And universe picks up on that misalignment. It responds to your energy, right? Not your doing, your being. And universe responds to the misalignment not to punish you, but it is asking you to reflect on what it is that you want to pay attention to, so you can align your vibe to your desires. So what I have learned is manifestation isn't about being on all the time. It's about being intentional in small, powerful ways. That one moment you catch yourself spiraling, you just breathe instead. That 5-minute walk you take and feel grateful for existing. That one time you tell yourself, I believe in my timeline, and you mean it. That's high vibrational energy. It's not a constant high. It's a conscious choice that we make, that we get to do every single day. So if you're trying to feel positive all the time, or feel like you're not doing enough to manifest what you want, just breathe. Maybe you don't need more rituals or new techniques. You just need more presence in your life. Let your vibration arise from peace, not from pressure. See you all in the next video. Bye.